Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add categories in Shopify. So it's really easy. You have to just go to the product section. In the product section you will find this option of collection. So collection is basically a category, right? So here I can just go and click on create collection here. So I will just write here summer collection, right? And once I do this, I can just add a description, and this is option of manual or automated. So I will just go for the manual. If you want to go automated, in the automated, what happens that you can add a product specific, you can give the command. So all the products below 500 will be added automatically come into this collection, right? So once I do this, I will just go and click on save, and this is the image. So you can add an image for your collection. So I will just go and select an image for my collection, right? It's completely up to you however you want, and this is a default, right? And I can just go and click on view to see this. There's a no product, so I will add a product here. For example, I will just go and select a new option. For example, as I told you, you can just go and select a manual option. Now you can see that I have got this option here. This is my summer collection. I've added this product, so let me show you once again. Let's go back, and this is a product, right? And this is it. So this is how you can do it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.